Hello children, I hope you all are missing your school, isn't it? Okay, no problem. I'm here to teach you chapter of maths class 5. So are you supporting your parents in during coronavirus pandemic? Yes, very good. And you don't forget to wash your hand at the regular interval of time. So, what we'll do, first you have to make a schedule which includes your routine work, your activities, your hobby, and yes, you can do some drawings, can read some storybooks, and the most important, your study time. For that only, I am here to teach you Unit 1 of Maths for Class 5. So, watch this video carefully and follow my ideas, what I am giving about this chapter. So, our first unit is numbers up to 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. You have already read the 7 digits number in class 4. So this time you have given 9 digits number. But first of all, I want to recall you some basic concepts of this chapter. And you must remember that is the first concept is P3. Now I'll think, what is P3? P3. First P is period. Second P is place. Third P is place value. Is number names. Number names. As we have already learned these concepts, but I want to repeat it, revise it for your help to understand this chapter in a proper manner. I want to give one example of the house to make the concept very much clear about period and place. Suppose you have been given 7 digits number, that is 99,99,999. So you can write it number names very easily. You can know the period of this number. You can know the place of each and every digit of this number. So let us learn about the period and place by your house. Means suppose I am drawing one house. You can see, is it visible to you, children? I hope it is visible, but my marker is not working so much. So I have drawn these 3 houses. This house name is ones. This house name is thousands. And this house name is lakh. In one's house, there are 3 rooms. In one's house, there are 3 rooms. First room is ones, second is tens, third is 100. In 1000 room, there are 2 houses, 1000 and 10,000. And in the same manner, in lakh house, there are also 2 rooms. One is lakh and other is 10 lakh. So this becomes very easy to recall about the period and its places. As in ones, we have 3 places, ones, tens, 100. In thousands, we have 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. And in lakh, we have 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. But now, for class 5, the 2 more numbers are added. And for this, you have to make a new house also, isn't it? So we'll draw one more this, keeping this number, and for this house, the name is given as crore. C-R-O-R-E, crore. And it has also two rooms. The first is crore and the second is 10 crore. So in this way, you can learn it very easily. No need to learn also. You can keep this in your mind always, that if you have 9 digits number, there will be 4 houses. Crore, lakh, thousand and ones. We'll start from ones. Ones, thousands, lakh and crore. Except ones, all have 2 rooms. All have 2 places. So is it clear very much? Period and place. These are the periods for 9 digit number and these are the places. Now we'll come to the place value. Now we'll come to the concept of place value. So the second concept is now the place value. Place value. Place value means the value of that number of that place. For example, from very small number I'll start. 251. What is the place value of 50? That is 5 into its place, and its place is, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So its place is tens. Now its place value is 50. So you can say the place value means the place multiplied by that number. Means the product of place and that number. That is place value. Whatever number is there, you have to just first check its place. And that place will be multiplied by that number which is given, underline, circle or whatever it is given in your question. So that is called place value. Now the 3 P's are clear. Period, place and place value. So children, one example I'll solve here to make this concept clear to all of you. This is the number 3 to 5 to 7 to 9, 9 digit number. Now it's very much clear that this is 1 period, this is 1000 period, this is lakh and this is crore. These are the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So you can write the places of these numbers also. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, like this. And this period is called ones, this is 1000, this is lakh and this is crore. Now tell me, what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9 is 9 into, what is its place? Tell me. This is the period of 1000 and it has 2 places, 1000 and this is 10,000. So 9 into 10,000 becomes 90,000. Like this, you can tell it all the periods, places and place value. Now you are able to find the place, periods and place value of any digit which will be given to you, isn't it? So be ready to solve this question. The question is, write the period, place and place value of the circled number. Circled number 23, 56, 98, 326. How you will read this number first? See. there is a comma system given. Comma is given after every interval of period. Keep in your mind always. Comma is given after every interval of periods. This is crore, comma, lakh, comma, thousand, comma, and this is once, there is no comma. After one, there will be no comma. So, okay, I will explain these concepts later on. So, the circle number is 9. Find the period, place and place value of 9. Here, find the period, place and place value of number 4. In manner, you can solve any questions to find its period, place and place value. The next concept will explain the number names, which you are learning since class 1, I think. But here number names is little bit different because now we are learning about the 9-digit numbers. But some concept I want to recall you that the numbers, when we write the numbers, let us take some numbers 4, 2, 7, 3, 8. While writing number names, you all have to always keep in your mind about the periods. Because whenever period will come, you have to write that period also. For example, this is 23, so you will write it 23. Now comma. Comma means you have to write its period. Which period is this? This is crore. So for this comma, you have to write crore. Now 38. 38. Now comma. This comma represents this period. And this period is lakh. 38 lakh. Now 42. 42. And again comma comes. This comma is representing this period. And this period is 1000. And then 738. This is 738. We'll write 738. No comma, so no period names. Full stop. In this manner, you can write number names of any given number up to 9 digits. I want to say that in class 5, you have to learn about the two concepts of number names. Two different concepts. Whatever you are learning till class 4, it was called the decimal number system. Decimal number system, or you can say decimal system of numeration. And now one new system is introduced, that is international. International system of numeration. This system is also called Hindu-Arabic system. Decimal system of numeration or Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, you are learning up to class 4 you have learned. Now the new system is international system of numeration. In this system, we'll find what is the difference between these two systems. There is a difference in periods, there is a difference in places. So, let's find what is the difference. Now, we'll make you clear the concept of decimal system of numeration and the international system of numeration. What is the basic difference? The difference in many things. First difference in comma. Here you can see, as in decimal system we give comma after every periods. In this also we'll give comma after every periods. But there is a difference in periods, and that you have to understand. Here you can see, as you already learned, the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. Here the periods are little bit different because it has only 3 periods, and this is international system of numeration, so periods are different. Here there are only 3 periods, and as I have explained these periods and places by giving example of a house. Again I am drawing the houses. Ones, then thousand, and the new period is million. And in this new system of numeration, that is international system of numeration, all the houses has 3 rooms. Each and every house has 3 rooms. Means all the periods have 3 places. Ones period have 3 places. That is ones, tens and hundred. As earlier I have explained, you also know. Ones period have 3 places. Ones, tens, hundred. Thousand have also 3 places. Millions have also 3 places. And this become very easy to learn that all the periods have 3 places. This is 1000, this is 10,000, and this become 100,000. The third will be 100,000. In million, this is million, this is 10 million, and what is this? Yes, this is 100 million. 100 million. This is ones, tens, 100 in one's house. This 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 in 1000 house. Million, 10 million and 100 million in million house. There are 3 houses, and each and every house has 3 rooms. Means each and every period have 3 places. Now I have given the concept of comma also. Where will you use comma? After every interval of periods. As in this, we'll give comma after crore, after lakh, after thousand, and no need to give comma after ones. See, I have not given comma after ones. In same here, we'll give comma after this period, million. We have 3 places, so after 3 digits. Like this, 1000, I have given comma, and then after ones, I have not given any comma. So here you can give comma. Now, in simple manner, we can write the number names also. See, what is this? You can read it. This is 576. 576 and then comma. What I have told you? For every comma, you have to read its period. For this comma, its period is million. 576 million 829. So my sketch is not working. We'll do orally. 829 comma. This comma is 1000. This comma is representing this period, and this period is 1000. 829,351. There is no comma, so no need to write any period. 351. So what will read it? How will read it? 576 million. This comma represent million. 829,000 and 351. So in this manner, I think international system of numeration is very much clear to all of you. You know there are 3 houses, means 3 periods. Every house have 3 rooms. Your finger have 3 parts, no? You can also learn by this 3 parts. This is ones, this is thousand, this is million. Ones, tens, hundred, This is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is million, 10 million, 100 million. So international system of numeration is very easy. Now you can always keep this in your mind that all the periods have 3 places. But in decimal system of the numeration, only once have 3 periods, and others have, only once have 3 places, others have only 2 places. So I think now you are able to solve any type of question which I'll give you very easily, very interesting and in a fun manner. Now I think you all have enjoyed this session. I'll give you some question to solve. Be ready, okay? Now you have to solve this given question. Write number names according to given comma. You have to focus on the comma because comma will give you the idea to find the given number is Indian, means decimal. You can also say Hindi or Arabic or international. By finding the system of numeration, now you are able to write everything, period, place and place value. You have to just write the number names of these numbers. See the first question, 921350280. The comma is given after 3 digits. See, after 3 digits. Here also after 3 digits. And here is 3 digits also. So which system of numeration is this? You have to first think about that. And then you will be able to write its number names. So you can see here after 3 digits there is a comma. Again after 3 digits there is a comma. It means this is international system of numeration. So how you read it? First try to read it. Then you can write only number names correctly. This is 921. 921 and this comma represents period. I have told you. So this comma is representing million. 921 million. 350 again comma 350 thousand because this comma is representing thousand, and last is 280. No comma, so no need to write or read its periods once. Never you will write once or never you will read once. It's hidden. No comma means no need to read it. So in this manner you can solve all the question. All the best children. Hope you will enjoy my session and solve these questions properly. Bye bye. See you again.